Drop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing an unboxing of KeaBabies Bandana Bibs. There are 8 that come in a pack. They are super absorbent and one can last you all day. So if you guys are interested in checking out what they look like, then stay tuned. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and comment down below your favorite one. And thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!